So guys, it's very simple. You don't need to do your abs in the gym every day. So if you want this, eat this. Love you. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a French toast, but to make it a bit more interesting, it's not gonna be me cooking it. I'm gonna get Sami to do it for me and do it for you, so just watch and learn. And before we're gonna start, I wanna say thank you to every single one of you for watching my videos. And if you feel generous, please subscribe for my channel, guys. I really appreciate that because I'm trying to get 100 subscribers. I'm trying to grow this channel, and yeah, if you feel generous, guys, subscribe my channel, share it, and I love you all, guys. Thank you very much for that, and let's go back to the video. Today we're doing 2 portions of the French toast. So obviously if you do it just for yourself, divide all ingredients in half. And also, if you don't like to use the protein powder, which I understand might be too much calories or too much protein for you, or you just don't have a protein powder at home, you can substitute that with just a vanilla extract or something very simple. So obviously you don't need to put the protein powder in your French toast. So that's it for now, and I think without further ado we can start with the video. So guys, if you want this, eat this.
We are about to start. Sami,
So we are cooking the French toast.
what you gonna need to make a French toast? So you need eggs. No,
15.
we're gonna eat all 15 eggs.
Wait, 15 as in like
No,
half, 7 for me, 7 for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can have 8.
Even 7 eggs is crazy, Miro. What the hell are you doing? You're eating 7 eggs.
Guys, if you think I'm crazy, drop me a comment.
The guy
I
eats,
don't.
the guy eats 7 eggs. No one needs to drop a comment. I think we know you're crazy. Simon, Steve,
Stevia.
good old Steve. Bread, obvious.
Always.
And you're gonna need this.
Wholemeal bread.
Will we need this?
We need that as well, yeah.
So this is what Miro's been since staying here. Miro's been very disappointed in me because I like a. You see, I'm a normal person. I love a fry up, you know. The more oil, the better. I fry up my egg, fry up the bread, everything.
So this is what Sami uses on daily basis. And I told him not to do it.
Every time he sees me eat this, his exact words are, "You're killing yourself." So this is what he recommends us to use. So you fitness heads, I'm guessing this is the reason why you watch. Use this. 1 spray, 1 calorie.
That's amazing. It's a game changer, guys.
But you want to enjoy your
Buy
food?
one of these.
You want to enjoy your food?
If you're gonna be unhealthy, fat and all of this stuff, yeah, get one of those.
Reused, all the stuff at the top adds flavour.
We did the almond milk, it's right
Almond
there.
milk's right here.
Prepared.
Done.
We need some fruits. So I got the frozen fruit
In the freezer.
right in the freezer.
Some berries.
Some berries are the best. You're gonna need obviously protein powder. Yeah, look at this powder.
Oh man, I don't know about the protein, man.
The best meat.
So guys, we got the eggs, we got cinnamon, we got wholemeal bread, light spray, Steve, almond, berries, mixed berries. We got all different kinds in there. You can have a look.
Nice.
And protein powder, unfortunately. Peanut flavour.
Peanut butter flavor.
Okay.
I'm all in.
All of it, yeah?
All of it.
Look at all these berries, guys. Look at all these berries. Oh, look at this on top. It's just fruit. Nah, put it in there. Oh, I get told off.
And 1 minute
1 minute.
30. Crack. 14 eggs.
Food.
But obviously we're gonna separate
Separate the yolk.
yolk. We don't want the yolk,
We don't want the yolk.
so we're just gonna go for the egg white
Hi guys, welcome to my cooking channel.
cooking channel. So basically look at them. So we kept some yolks, like 2
Bit of flavour.
for flavor. So we crack 40 eggs. So pretty much 12 egg whites and 2 full eggs.
You know how much cinnamon? Cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon is good for you guys. It's good for the fat loss. So you definitely should
We're pouring the
add in your food.
whole thing.
The whole thing.
That is literally all of it, guys.
All of
I
it.
didn't not empty. He's going straight in for it, guys. Oh my god. What is stevia? The sugar?
No, it's sweeter. But...
Like this?
Yeah. That.
So 1,
1.
4. 4 scoops of the protein powder.
Almond milk.
Almond milk?
Yes, in that case.
You think I know how much
Okay, go. I'll stop you. Much more. Yeah, that's about it. And biscuit.
Whiskey time. Alright,
You have to go very slow from beginning because the powder might go everywhere.
start slow and steady, guys. If you get close with this, it looks like mud. It literally looks like mud.
Can you go full speed? Show us what you got.
Wow, so now guys,
So Sami, you got your mixture.
so smooth. It looks like a cake. We could just whack this in the oven and turn this into a cake.
It would.
It's like a cake.
But we don't want cake.
No.
So you need a bread. 3 slices for you.
3 slices for me,
Slices for me.
him.
Mixture's right there. You should go with the medium, very low heat actually.
There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Spatula.
Spatula.
That one.
Feel like SpongeBob.
And spread this oil all around the pan.
Alright,
And
we're
on
gonna
the
spread
edges as
the
well.
one. Guys, what Mira told me that I had to do, which I wasn't being so before, was gentle. Press it onto the pan. Move it. Gentle. That's quite good.
Yeah.
Technique, guys, technique. Oh, God. We don't waste anything, guys. Don't ever waste. So we had a lot of batter left, and we've now poured into here to make some sort of protein pancake.
Exactly. So we're doing a little pancake over here.
Not Indian,
Greek yogurt.
Not British.
0 fat.
Greek yogurt.
0 fat. And
Almonds.
almond crumble.
So the first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to get the Greek yogurt,
0 fat.
0 fat. We're going to lather it on top like it's butter. To be honest, I wish it was butter. But this is the what is this? The almond crumble. I'll apply that on top. This part I'm quite excited about, because I do love berries. I'll apply all these berries on top.
So this is about 800 calories breakfast.
800 calories.
Maybe even slightly more.
Bloody hell!
It's full of protein, loaded with the protein.
If I don't become
There's-
hench office, if I don't get a 6-pack from this, guys,
There's lots of goodness on the plate.
this is looking like heaven on a plate. Like, yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna dig in.
We're gonna see if I can finish this.
And that's the end of the today video. Sami made the French toast, so now you know how to do it yourself. Just a quick reminder, you don't really need to use the almond crumble. I just put it on my French toast because I'm bulky and I'm trying to get bigger, so I'm trying to eat a bit more calories, but obviously you can do it without it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I really need your help, so there is no way I can grow this channel by myself. So you are very important for me. So guys, if you feel generous, please subscribe, share my content, and yeah, I need your help so much because I have no idea how to grow this channel by myself. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one. I miss you already, guys. Bye.